Hello guys, in this video I will show how to insert shapes in Google Docs. So you can insert any type of shape. Click on insert and drawing new. Here guys you can draw any type of shape. Click here and in the shapes almost you will find all type of shapes. You can change inside color. You can change borderline color. So change the size, style. So you can change border this outline. Also you can insert arrow, symbol or shape, callouts, and equation. Now save and close. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you. And once you select in front of text, so you can keep anyway. Share, like and subscribe this channel.